Welcome to the Intensa Exam Furnishings video collection. Today we are going to show you how easy it is to replace a worn or torn tabletop on a 104 table to refresh and renew the exam room or to comply with infection control protocols. Let's get started. I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Ben, a member of the technical support team. Let's go through the easy steps to replace the 104 exam tabletop. When you receive your new top, it will come with the pad and hardware needed to replace the top. Your pad will have all new wood substrate and foam. The only tool you will need is a battery-operated drill with a Phillips screwdriver bit. First, raise the back up halfway. If the table has pelvic tilt and drawer warmer, lift the seat section. If there is no pelvic tilt, remove the 2 screws from underneath, one in each front corner. Locate the 4 hinge screws located in the back of the mounting plate, but do not remove it this time. Remove the 2 screws attaching the lifting device to the back of the table prior to removing the hinge screws. Then remove the hinge screws from the mounting plate and remove the old top and footpad. Mount the stainless steel plate provided in the proper location using the location on the old top as a point of reference. Place the new top on the table with the hinge tabs in the back of the mounting plate. Screw the 4 hinge screws into the mounting plate. Do not tighten all the way at this point. Screw the lifting device to the back of the top. Do not tighten the screws all the way. Then lower the back to allow the lifting device to align itself. Raise the back and tighten the lifting device screws. Then tighten the stainless plate screws. Tighten the hinge screws now and install the new footpad using the alignment tabs provided. You now have a new top on your existing table, providing a fresh new look for your exam room without the cost of a new table. Thank you for viewing. Please contact your Intensa representative for any questions.